The Benks MagClap crystal case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra strikes an impressive balance between clarity and protection. This clear case manages to showcase the phone's natural beauty while incorporating some genuinely clever engineering under the surface. What sets this case apart is its innovative La Vida Mag technology. Unlike other magnetic cases that expose their magnet array, Benks has cleverly hidden the 36N52 magnets within the back panel. This not only creates a cleaner aesthetic, but also prevents common issues like dust accumulation and magnet degradation. The magnetic connection is strong and reliable, working perfectly with MagSafe accessories in wireless chargers. The case's construction is particularly noteworthy. The combination of a polycarbonate back and TPU bumper provides military-grade drop protection without adding excessive bulk. I was especially impressed by the Invisi Warrior corner airbags, which offer extra protection at the most vulnerable points. The crystal clear polycarbonate resists yellowing remarkably well, though time will tell how it holds up after months of use. While the case excels in most areas, it's not without minor drawbacks. The buttons, while responsive, could offer slightly more tactile feedback. Additionally, like most clear cases, it tends to show fingerprints rather easily, though a quick wipe usually takes care of them. At its price point, the Benks MagClap crystal case represents solid value, especially considering its premium features and build quality. If you're looking to show off your S25 Ultra while maintaining strong protection and magnetic compatibility, this case deserves a spot on your shortlist. Just be prepared to keep a microfiber cloth handy for occasional cleaning.